The EC520 is the simple, precise and efficient way to clean escalators and moving walkways. It is the quickest system on the market today that sweeps, washes, dries and restores the brilliance of escalators and travelators from any brand. Thanks to its revolutionary design, it's possible to effectively sweep in the dry phase and wash with a chemical solution in the wet phase, passing rapidly between the two cleaning phases. The sweeping phase removes small stones, sand and other sediment from the grooves on the steps and between the step and the escalator's side panel. The machine can be connected to an external vacuum. The powerful vacuum guarantees optimal results even if the steps are particularly dirty, and in the wet phase, complete pickup of the cleaning solution. This means that the escalator is safe for traffic immediately after cleaning. The wet phase removes marks and dried-on dirt, including the excess oil which can leak out from the internal mechanisms of the escalator. The combination of the nebulized cleaning solution, which is sprayed directly onto the steps, and the special PPL brushes that deeply clean without scratching the surface of the steps, guarantees optimal results. Compact and easy to maneuver, once positioned, the EC520 works semi-automatically, leaving the operator free to carry out other tasks. The brush deck of the EC520 is protected by a stainless steel covering that protects the machine and creates a vacuum chamber around the brushes that increases vacuuming power to maximize the pickup of residues. With the edge-to-edge system, the EC520 cleans right up to the edge of the steps. The brush deck is fitted with thin spacers, which allow the EC520 to be positioned in direct contact with the side panels of the escalator. Then simply rotate the deck 180 degrees to clean the other side of the escalator. The EC520 is different to every other machine on the market. It has wheels to easily transport the machine to escalators and moving walkways in different locations. It cleans using a fine spray of cleaning solution, keeping water use to a minimum. It requires minimal input from the operator. It is constructed with high-quality materials that have been selected for their durability. A full accessories kit for the top version includes a spray gun to pre-wash the steps and tools to also clean the risers. The squeegee installed behind the machine, only on the top version, allows the EC520 to be used as a small area scrubber dryer, perfect for cleaning the area surrounding the escalator or travelator. The high-capacity solution and recovery tanks reduce downtime involved in stopping in order to empty and refill during operation. The tanks have also been designed with easy access points for hassle-free inspection and maintenance. The EC520 sweeps and washes escalators and travelators with a width starting from only 51 centimeters, without the need for adapters. It is the best way to clean any brand of escalator, efficiently, simply, and precisely. The result is a clean escalator and moving walkways with minimum cost and minimum effort.